Oh, hi guys, it's Robbie here. This is FrekiFitWolf. I'm just sitting down for my breakfast. I made a bacon and egg burrito. I'm gonna have an apple and a banana. And then when I get done eating this, I'll be back and I'm doing a tag video that Tracy from Overhead Trials of a Long-Haired Girl tagged me in. All right, so sorry about that. I needed to eat. I was really hungry. Now, if you don't know what a tag video is, it's where simply a YouTuber answers a bunch of questions and then tags another YouTuber to answer those same questions. And it goes around and around. That way, like sometimes like this particular one is strictly for fun. It's get to know us type of tag. Some of them are about a certain topic. That way you can get lots of different ideas through that. So this one, like I said, is just one that is just general questions, kind of get to know us type of scenario, especially with the way things are right now. We need some light and fun topics. So that is why Tracy has started doing, I think she said she's calling it Tag Tuesday. I haven't watched her video because I don't want her answers to taint my answers. So, but I believe she's calling it Tag Tuesday and she's probably going to do it like every Tuesday. Yeah, so I am going to be tagging Let's Get Fit with Sandy and Jay over at 100 to Life, a Fat Girl's Journey. I haven't tagged her in a while. I kind of tag Sandy like every single time if somebody else hasn't already tagged her because we both love tags. But yeah, so anyway, let's get on with the questions. Number one is, what is one of your favorite ways to spend a Saturday? Well, typically I work Saturdays. And after work, a lot of times, because that's my longer shift and we don't get breaks, I don't do a lot. So I will either game or watch TV or read a book, something more relaxing on a Saturday rather than, a fun activity. Granted, right now I am off for at least 30 days, so I guess I'll figure out what I want to do on Saturdays. Not that they really matter either because, right now it's just another day of the week. Yeah. So anyway, number two, list your top 3 favorite TV shows. Doctor Who, as you all probably know by now, probably Buffy, and then Xena Warrior Princess. And I actually put Xena in spot number 2. So Doctor Who, Xena, Buffy. All right. Number 3, would you rather be in pictures or take them? I like both. One thing that I learned when my mom passed away is that we don't have a lot of photos of her. She wasn't in a lot. And that is something that made me realize even if I don't love the way I look, those memories are so important to give people to have, because I would love if I could just have a bunch of photos of my mom. I have a couple, but not a bunch. And so like me, I jump in photos. I'm totally okay with that. Even before I started my weight loss journey, granted, I might not want a full body photo, but at least me, and especially my face, and especially more casual ones, because those have more personality than these perfect, prim, proper ones, if that makes sense. But yeah, so I prefer to be in them and take them because that's a way to document life, especially with my memory. I have a horrible memory, so you can remember things if there's some photos or some kind of visual to help you remember them. All right, number 4, why do you vlog? I mean, it's a weight loss vlog. I'm doing this so that I can stay on track to lose weight. And that's basically it. I will sometimes, of course, you guys know, share recipes, share tips or tricks, but ultimately this whole video journey is about my journey and my life and what it's gonna take to stay on track and stay focused. All right, number 5, share 5 websites you visit regularly. I should have read this one first because I don't visit a ton of websites. I mean, Facebook, Instagram, do those kinds of websites? YouTube, obviously. I don't visit any websites regularly. Probably Amazon.com for shopping and video watching. And That's kind of it. So I got 4. I'll probably think of something later. And if I do while I'm recording, I'll say it, but 4. Okay. The next question is number 6. If you could have lunch with one person from your Twitter list, who would it be? I have a Twitter, but I don't use it that much. I don't even know who I'm following on there. So I would say let me switch that over to Instagram. And I will say that I would love to follow Holy Crap I'm Fat, or have lunch with her, with Stephanie. She lives in Wyoming. I'm in Missouri, so it's not happening anytime soon. And her friend Wayne. They're both hilarious, fun, positive people that I would love to at least have a lunch with. I prefer to actually go out and have a drink with, but you know. All right, number 7, list a few favorite snacks. Apples. Y'all know bananas are on my list because I love bananas. And then my favorite like sweet snack would be Elevation Caramel Nut Bars, because these things at Aldi, first of all, for 5 bars are $3.99, and second of all, 4 points for it. And it's, I'm sure I showed you guys this before, but like it's a decent size. For 4 points, it's perfect. So that's a few of my favorite snacks. Let's see. Number 8. Do you have a pet, and if so, what kind? This is Goldie. Goldie, say hi to the camera. She wants to lay down and be petted. Okay, so I have 2 pets. They're technically my roommates, but I say they're mine, and they're dogs. So here's Goldie, and this one is Selena. Mwah. So they're my roommate's dogs, but I say they're mine. Especially right now, he's been basically living at his boyfriend's, so they're mine because I'm the only one here with them. All right, number 9. Which 3 material possessions would you struggle without? My car, my phone. I'm trying to figure out if my computer or my PS4 would be harder. Probably computer. So yeah, those 3 things. And favorite drink. Even though I have not been drinking hardly any soda, I would still say Diet Mountain Dew is still my favorite drink. I have gotten to like coffee as long as I have my sugar-free creamer in there. Not for you, honey. And water. I love water, so that's cool. All right, so that is all 10 questions. So again, thank you, Tracy, from over at Trials of a Long-Haired Girl. And I will be tagging Sandy over at Let's Get Fit with Sandy, and tagging Jay over at 100 to Life, A Fat Girl's Journey. I'll put their links in the comment or the description box below, and you can check them out. And if you guys feel like doing a tag, if you have a channel, or if you just want to answer in the box below, feel free to answer. If you do a video, let me know, and I'll tag you in a future video. And until then, just comment, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will talk to you all later.